Okay, so just showing the update of the bathroom. So this is the bathroom at the moment. So it's like 70% finished. So I literally chose the 60 by 60 porcelain tiles. Pardon for my voice, distorted voice is a bit rough and it's just early in the morning. My workers is the other side in the kitchen having like retiling phase. Anyway, first thing first, there are two types of the tiles. In choosing the perfect tiles for the bathroom is that it's important to know the difference of ceramic tiles and porcelain tiles, but you also have to think first the water resistance, the slip resistance, the durability, the cleaning, what else? The price, of course, the ideal tiles for your specific features, or like the benefits for you as a user for the bathroom and the literally whole bathroom, and the design variety. So ceramic tiles is the water resistance is more porous, like moderate, but porcelain tiles is literally almost like a waterproof, so it's perfect for bathroom. Durability is ceramic tiles is softer, so it's prone to cracks and chips, while porcelain tiles is highly durable. And also for cleaning, it is easy to clean the porcelain tiles. Well, in regard to the price of ceramic tiles, is way cheaper compared to porcelain tiles. But if you want to have a really that lasts long and the durability and resistance is, it's best to invest in porcelain tiles as well. The design variety is, there's a wide range of variety of porcelain tiles. If you go for a sleek look, a luxury vibe, or aesthetic, with varies about your taste. Plus, in regards to the installation, well, ceramic tiles is easier to install, but porcelain tiles requires more skilled professional worker to install it, because it needs a stronger tiles expert to have it perfectly glued and that lasts long. So all of this I have to learn before I finally chose which tiles should I go for, but I know best one is porcelain tiles, and that's what we are having here, porcelain tiles. But I chose a glossy porcelain tiles for the bathroom walls because the area of this bathroom is literally small, so my aim is to have at least an illusion to make it feel bigger and spacious without adding extra more space and bits. So I chose the glossy because the glossy tiles, especially the walk-in shower area, it is because it's easier to clean and it reflects more light. I want to have a walls that reflects light as much possible. So more light reflection, it means it feels airy and bigger. It feels the space much bigger, even it is not. It's a neutral tone for the bathroom. It is marble-like effect. It's Calacata effect and by the way, this is locally made, manufactured here in Argentina. It's the Alberti brand. It is most well known for its tile, high quality tiles, and it's a local pride of Argentina. Theme and concept would be just chic, sleek, modern, and feels elegant and aesthetic. Also, the important part is to choose the size of your porcelain tiles for the bathroom. So previously, the ready-made built-in ceramic tiles. It was 20 by 20, so it's too small, and it's very like hassle to clean because lots of grout lines, and it just feels concave or compressed. It compresses the space, you know, like a cave, and I hate that. So I chose a 60 by 60 for the bathroom walls and even for the bathroom floors. So it's much bigger, and it also means that the bigger the tiles, the lesser the grout lines or the fewer the cuts needed. Understand? So yeah. And for the floor, I chose, let me show you. So I chose each shade, but this is matte and textured. It is anti-slip porcelain tile floor, so it is literally ideal and best for the bathroom floors. It's matched and blended with my bathroom walls. So I'm really excited to have it all done, and I'll explain further better the motif and all the features and styles and design. I'm going to do all of this, and by the way, all of this structured or designed is my design. I draw this, and my wonderful makers and workers is really doing a very good job. So that's all for now, the update, and after it's finished, I want to explain and have a bathroom tour and explain this is all my own design and drawing structures. So see you once it's all done. I think this is like 65%. So see ya.